Hi, I saw this trading robot on the Metatrader marketplace. It's called Not a Scam, which I thought would be a good play on words for the title. Is it really not a scam? Anyway, this trading robot is both for Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5. It trades on the Euro-Dollar Forex pair on the hourly time frame. It doesn't, however, have a live signal nor any other type of signal, but yet it's doing very well in the Metatrader marketplace, selling 164 copies monthly. There are limited optimization options. You only have the ability to optimize the stop and take profit settings, and we'll have a go at that also. So this is the product description. It doesn't say too much about the trading robot itself, but there's just a lot of rhetoric, which itself I found quite entertaining. The last line reads, "Please do not contact the author with suggestions because you are not professionals. You do not know it better. Just use this bot if you like it." It sounds arrogant, and I know what he's saying, and there's some truth to it. I personally wouldn't have put it that way, but hey, he knows best. He's getting a load of sales. Generally, reviews also have been positive as far as I can see. So don't forget, for all your live trading, not just with this trading robot should you decide to use it, for the best results, especially when you're using live money, always use a regulated broker and VPS provider. I've provided my recommended broker and VPS provider in the video description box below. Right, to the back tests. First of all, we will run the scam tests. The control is the standard test we run. Then we run the history shift test, where we trick the trading robot to think it's trading different dates. And then the symbol shift test to trick it to think it's trading a different symbol. If these charts look different, then there's manipulation of the backtest results, meaning it's a scam trading robot. However, as you can see, the charts look pretty much all the same. I forgot to turn off the variable spread, so there are slight differences, but all three are the same chart, so it passes our scam tests. If you want to learn more about scam tests and how you can run it yourself, you can visit our short course on Udemy at the link on the screen, mralanforex.com/not-b-scam-course, and it should redirect you to the Udemy site. And this is what the backtest results look like from 2013. Looks decent for 8 years of trading. It's actually made over 13,000 pips. However, I broke down the results yearly, and from 2013 to 2017, it just about makes a profit. Only from 2018 onwards does it start to move up much more decisively and profitably. Markets are always changing, so it's hard to say how good the results will be moving forward, but so far they have been good. So as I mentioned earlier in the video, there are optimization options for this trading robot, but only the ability to change the stop and take profit. You can see the original configuration produces the results on the left. A 1K backtest from 2018 becomes 1.9K with a profit factor of 2.14 with 955 trades and a 70% win rate. In our optimization, we can improve on the standard results. 1K to 2K with a slightly increased profit factor of 2.33. The graph with the two lines is showing the default backtest results against the Mr. Allen Forex optimization from 2018. You can see the performance is pretty much the same at the beginning, but from April 2020 it starts to pull away. So if you would like this, you can get this as a Patreon member. Link is on the top right, www.patreon.com/Mr. Allen Forex. In summary, the first good news is that it passes the scam tests. Looking at the trading results for the default settings, as 50 pips stop and 50 pips take profit, it's likely that they're trailing, as we're seeing variable stops and take profits. It's a pity there is no live signal. Backtests are great, but nothing beats a live signal to see how it will trade with real money. As mentioned before, backtest results from 2018 look great, but before then, so-so. And finally, you can optimize the stop and take profit. We've done that and can be downloaded from our Patreon page. So if you like the look of this trading robot, here are the MT4 and MT5 links to it. There's also the link to our membership site on Patreon if you want more optimizations of trading robots, and also to download our trading robots which we use in our live trading portfolio. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.